A sound is made of vibrations. So solid के molecules, liquid के molecules and gases, everything has molecule. When these molecule vibrate and come in contact with another molecule, sound is transmitted. Sound travels fastest in solid, then liquid, then gas. A sound is made of vibration. These vibration travels and reaches our ear. We are able to hear the sound. The vibration of sound can travel through air, water and gas. There is no vibration in vacuum, so there is no sound in vacuum. They need molecule to travel. Sound need molecule to travel. Opposite, light doesn't need any medium to travel. Light can travel through vacuum also. Speed of sound is 300 meter per second and speed of light is 30 crore kilometers per second. So that is why light travels fast. That is why when there is lightning, we see the light first and sound comes after few seconds. Because lightning happens in stratosphere and it is away from us around 1 or 2 kilometers. So it takes 3 to 4 seconds to reach to our ears. Various sounds like clock tick tick, whistle high pitch, kettle boils produce rattling sound, and when we pressure cooker produces hissing sound. Also piano has 88 keys, produce different musical sound. Call bell, ding ding, flute, musical sound. One more thing, when we fill a balloon with water and we tap here, we can hear the sound. That sound travel through the water also, sound travel through the solid also, and when we speak, the sound travel from our vocal cord into air, and air molecules vibrate and touches next molecule and sound reaches to our eardrum. But sound cannot move in vacuum. Now coming to different type of sounds. Tell me an example of plant which produces sound. Sound producing plant is growing corn. Corn, when corn grows, there is, due to turgor pressure, there is clicking sound. When, for example, root of a young corn makes clicking sound. Also, when the root of a plant suspended in water, the roots use a sound that was in the same frequency range that corn plants emitted. The clicking sound they make cannot be heard by human ear. This clicking sound is because of water coming up from xylem. ये सब समेट दो, मैं बाहर बना के आई. हाँ, लाइट्स ऑफ करो. यहाँ रख दो. नहीं, यहाँ रख दो. अभी लाइट ऑफ करो. लेट जाओ. नहीं, यहाँ रख दो अपनी जगह. Human being also produce different type of sounds like laugh, cry, talk, cough, sneeze, groan, burp, giggle, scream. Sound produced by tree and fallen leaves are rustling sound and whispering sound. Falling leaves sound is rustle sound, and it is like probably like a falling paper. Now coming to pleasant sound and unpleasant sound. Pleasant sound which we likes, our ear likes those sound, and unpleasant sound which are irritable sounds. ठीक है. Now coming to warning sounds. Warning sounds are produced by sound which used to warn danger by means of sound signal or fire alarm. Okay. Now coming to different things like ambulance, police cars and fire trucks are the siren producing sounds. Now coming to next thing, where it is fire alarms are set in government buildings, tall structures and pole next to the fire station. Sirens are designed to alert pedestrians मतलब जो रोड पे चलते हैं, ठीक है, and vehicles of an impending danger. ठीक है. Harmful effect of loud noise. What are the harmful effects? Harmful effects are, first thing, who produce the harmful effect of loud noise are, it affects our health and behavior both. It decreases our work efficiency. Nobody can live in a noisy place. Person become irritable. There is sleeping disorder. It may leads to deafness. क्या क्या होता है बैड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ नॉइज पोल्यूशन? नंबर 1, इट अफेक्ट्स बोथ हेल्थ एंड बिहेवियर. इट डिक्रीजेज वर्क एफिशिएंसी. इट पर्सन बिकम इरिटेबल. may leads to sleeping disorders, deafness partial or complete, may leads to BP problems and heart problems. How we can reduce noise pollution? Number 1, we can use public transport to reduce traffic and noise created by it. Factories must be located away from cities because they have sirens. The machines like pumps, generator, mixer, grinder, air conditioners and coolers, vehicles should be serviced regularly. Firecrackers do more harm than good to us, so we should stop burning them on any occasion. Volume of loudspeaker, TV, radio should be at low volume. If you are working in an area where there is loud noise, you should use earplugs. It is very important. Habit is to speak softly, and soft spoken people are always heard.